Hi! Magandang gabi! Oras na naman para sa ating Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. At our first one ay how to say, are you leaving now? Aalis ka na? Aalis ka na? Aalis ka na? Or, you can say, alis ka na? Alis ka na? Alis ka na? Oo, aalis na ako. And last Tuesday, we covered about using either napaka or ang plus adjective as equivalent of so and very sa Ingles. If what you mean in a sentence, for example, you wanna say, you're so beautiful. So, sa Tagalog, you can either say, ang ganda mo, or napakaganda mo. And another one, you can also repeat the adjective and say, ang ganda-ganda mo. So you have three choices to say, you're so beautiful. Una, or first, ang ganda mo. Second, pangalawa, napakaganda mo. And third o pangatlo, by repeating the adjective, and you can say, ang ganda-ganda mo. Another example, you're so ugly. Ugly, pangit. Pangit. Ang pangit mo. Or, napaka-pangit mo. And third one, ang pangit-pangit mo. Later, mamaya. 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 Magkita tayo mamaya. Oo, kita tayo mamaya. Next time or some other time, sakana. 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 And we have the word dekorasyon. 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 Enemy, kaaway. 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 Warning, babala. 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 We have follow. Follow sa Tagalog, sundan, sundan, and the other one, sundin. Sundin. Both word means follow, but there's a difference between the two. Sundan means to physically follow someone. So if you wanna say, follow me, like to physically follow you, sundan mo ako. Follow me. Sundan mo ako. Or, follow me in the kitchen. Sundan mo ako sa kusina. Follow me in the garden. Sundan mo ako sa garden. Or, sundan mo ako sa hardin. At sundin, use the word sundin if what you mean is follow my suggestion or follow my advice, follow my command, or follow what I told you to do, or follow what I said. Sundin mo ako. Sundin mo ako. Halimbawa, for example, a dad or a mom sa kanilang anak to their daughter, and let's say the father or the mom said, just follow me, don't see that guy again. Sundin mo ako. Sundin mo ako. don't see that guy again. Sundin. Another example, let's say, looks like it's going to rain and the mom told her son to bring an umbrella. So the mom said, bring an umbrella. And the son said, no, mom. No, mom. It's not raining. And the mom said, it will. I think it will. The sky is dark. Just bring an umbrella. Sundin mo ako. Sundin. At just another example para sa sundan. Let's say that someone is asking for direction and you want to say, just follow me, because you also have your car and you want to say, just follow me. Sundan mo na lang ako. Sundan mo na lang ako. Just follow me. At last one, and this is one of the most common questions asked every day o araw-araw. Are you hungry? Gutom ka ba? Gutom ka ba? Gutom ka ba? At if what you mean is, are you already hungry? Gutom ka na ba? So we just added the word na, which means either already or now. Gutom ka na ba? Are you already hungry? Gutom ka na ba? And to respond, yes, I'm hungry. Oo, gutom ako. Or yes, I'm already hungry. Oo, gutom na ako. Oo, gutom na ako. At if you're not hungry yet, or if, let's say, first, you're not hungry and you want to say, no, I'm not hungry. No, hindi. I'm not hungry. Hindi ako gutom. At let's say, you want to respond, no, I'm not hungry yet. I'm not hungry yet. No, I'm not hungry yet. No, hindi. I'm not hungry yet. Hindi pa ako gutom. Hindi pa ako gutom. And here, we added the word pa, which means sa English ay not yet. Gutom ka ba? Oo. Gutom ako. Hindi pa ako gutom. You should go ahead and eat na. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. Bye! Good night na!